Melanie, and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Friday fives. I absolutely love this new series because every Friday I'm going to be sharing with you 5 of my favorite things as it pertains to event planning, home decor, maybe my top 5 restaurants, my top 5 vacations, maybe the 5 worst events I've ever done. I would love to hear from you guys what 5s you would like for me to share down in the comments below, and I will put that on my list of things to create. So today I'm going to be starting with sharing my top 5 chargers. Now this is what I use in event planning. You can also use this in your home when you create your tablescapes. I think it's going to be so much fun for me to share this with you and kind of my reason and rationale behind why I love them so much. So if you guys, love watching things like this, please, please, please don't leave this video before you give it a huge thumbs up and smash the subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm and like button so that you will let YouTube know that you love this content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's hop right in. Okay, so the first one we have is this glass beaded charger. I got these from Tablecloth Factory. I absolutely love them. I've had them for years, you guys. When I first bought these, they were actually for my mother-in-law for her Christmas tablescape. And then I bought myself some as well, and I use mine for home events as well as weddings and birthday parties. I'll show you guys several different looks with me using them, and I absolutely love these because you have that really classy and elegant look. They look really well with like fine china and then everyday plates. I just wanted to kind of show you guys the range of how they look. Now, one of the best parts is that you can now get these in acrylic as well. Now mine are glass, but I do like the acrylic because number one, they're more affordable. You can put them on all the guest tables and things like that at receptions or baby showers or birthday parties. Number two, they're not as fragile. So if you're working with a team and you don't have to be afraid of them, dropping them and breaking them because they are acrylic. And I do love that. And then number 3, they are lightweight. The acrylic is a lot more lightweight than the glass ones, and it's just easier to carry, and they're just more, budget friendly. They give you that same look as the glass ones, and it's just, to me, an overall better investment. I also use them a lot. As I said earlier, I use them for birthday parties, baby showers, weddings, for home events. I mean, they really travel well. They really mesh well with all sorts of events. Here, I'm actually using them with paper plates. And so I just kind of chose to show you guys this so that you can see the range of, usability with these particular chargers. Next up, I have them in silver as well. As you can see, they pair really well with like your traditional silver or gold chargers. I do love them for that, and then you can just kind of use them to accent, like I said, your guest table or your head tables. Now, typically you don't want your chargers to stick out that far from the table, but in this particular case, the tables were smaller, so we broke that one rule. I guess rules are made to be broken. Another one that I absolutely love is this rhinestone one. Oh my gosh, they make such a huge impact. Look at how amazing they are. These are very lightweight. In the center, it's actually like an aluminum. It's not really mirror, although it does look mirror. It's more of a metal. I just think they are so absolutely gorgeous, and I mostly use these for weddings or special events, maybe a sweet 16 or a really over-the-top glam styled baby shower. I also thought about using them for a diamond and pearl event, but again, I absolutely love these, and you can also get these at eFavorMart. They have them in the silver, as you see here. They also have them in gold, and they have them in rose gold as well. And I think they can be used a lot. One of the things I did like about them is that once you add your napkin and your napkin ring, and this one came from not eFavorMart, this one came from totallydazzle.com. Again, I will link them. But once you add the napkin ring and the napkin, you really don't have to completely set the table with like your place settings. And with COVID now, you can't really set it with a plate. So this really works for that because it gives you that complete look. Now, I would be remiss not to share with you guys that you have to have that basic silver and that basic gold charger. Now, one of the things I want to point out here is that you can get these from the Dollar Tree. We all know that. But a lot of times when I'm designing, I may not want that beaded look. I like to have them more flat. And you can get the flat ones also at eFavorMart or Tablecloth Factory. You can also get them at Michael's. So there are several places you can get the ones that do not have the beads around the side. And what that does is that it gives you more variability in your designs. If you needed a design that you may not have necessarily wanted that on there, then it would work for there. And this event was actually my last Easter tea. I am so sad. We have not had one for the past couple of years due to COVID. So I'm just kind of reminiscing on that, you guys. Oh my gosh, I thought this one was so absolutely beautiful. And the floral centerpieces turned out amazing. I got most of these pieces from like Publix and Aldi's to create the centerpiece. Now the next one is this black and gold scallop trimmed charger. I do love this because they match my black and gold glasses. I was so excited to get them. You can also find these at eFavorMart. I think Hobby Lobby had some at one time as well. So I think these are really, really, really adorable. I am going to show you guys how to do this setup using items from around your home. So do not miss my Saturday morning setup, you guys. Like, it is going to be an amazing adventure. I'm going to take you guys, through step by step so that you can see exactly what I do and how I do it and give you some party planning tips along the way. So that video is like 36 minutes long, so you don't want to miss out on that. And then here are the basic flat chargers that I was telling you guys about in the gold. And I do like these. See, it just gives it a whole different look. It gives you that pop of color, but it doesn't really limit you with the beading all around it. And I think when you do that beading, it kind of says Dollar Tree. Even though it looks really good, it still kind of says it. So with this matte finish on the lantern, I definitely wanted to have that same exact feel on the plates as well. So I just thought that looked really cute. And then with the geometric candle tea light holders, I think that the beads around the charger would have just kind of, not flown. It wouldn't have made it flow as much. And then finally, this charger is actually a DIY. They are made with real leaves and like the little cheap placemats from the Dollar Tree. I absolutely love these, and they're very, very simple to do, yet they have a great impact. So if you have a summer wedding or an event, I think these would be so cute to do, you guys. Like, they are so absolutely adorable. Again, and then that the name cards are actually mirrors from the Dollar Tree, and they are on clear easels, and the clear easels were also from the Dollar Tree. So super duper duper excited about the way this all turned out. I hope that you guys, if you decide to do this, just know that it's very easy to do. I hope you try it. You just have to layer the leaves all around. I think Rachel did most of these, if not all of these, for me for this style shoot, but it's very, very simple to do. I got the idea from Pier 1 years ago. So those are my favorite chargers, and I absolutely love them. So I hope you guys enjoyed my top 5. Which one was yours, you guys? I am so loving all of this. I will link all of the links to all of the chargers that I shared with you in today's video down in the description box below. So be sure to check it out. I also may pin it to the first comment. So be sure to check the description box and the comments if you would like to order some of these for your next event or for your home. So stay tuned. I will see you at the next Friday 5s. Bye-bye.